I'm going to say one of the top comments I receive on these teardown videos that I post is like, the real skill is putting it back together now, which respectfully I disagree, because some of these snap rings are way harder to take out than they are to put in. Say there's like 2 steps that are easier on the way out than they are back in. I think that's skill. To me it is. C-clutch here. Once they get a little hung up. There we go. And then this is the real skill. Getting this thing on first try. Over here. Same with this one. This one can be a pain. Getting inside there and bringing the pick just enough so it doesn't interfere with the pressure plate, and then angling it up. And you can pop it free. The F clutch. So they get darker as they go closer to the actual force that engages on them. F clutch is a pretty common issue on these. And we can see that the CDF bushing just shifted just a tad. You can see the witness mark there. Not enough to leave a gaping hole there and bleed a bunch of pressure, but just enough.